Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Dodge Journey SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera, little roof spoiler, that nice little wiper, mud flaps on the rear and the front. We got heated door mirrors, and we do get a black hood deflector, and that nice Dodge grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You can collapse and move the seat forward. Plenty of door space in the back. You can have a carpeted interior, carpeted floor mats, and we do get these under compartment storage on each side, which is pretty nice. And we do get that nice 12-volt, and you can fold this down for arm space and cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You got your lights, parking brake, and hood opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 99,910 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have your cruise control, the Dodge logo. Toggle for your screen, you have your modes, volumes, all behind our steering wheel. And looking at our main screen here, we have our tire pressure monitor, vehicle info, messages. You can turn your main menu off if you want to. What radio station, fuel economy, vehicle speed, trim info, and all that fun stuff. Over here, we do have our gear select. We do have a nice vinyl wrap center console. Tons of storage. You even get a little 12-volt down there, which is pretty handy. Cup holders, more storage there. You got little storage nets there. You even get some outlets with a 12-volt, aux, and USB. You also have CD, you got your climate controls right here, AC, hazards, all that jazz, traction, little storage cubby, engine start, storage below. Infotainment system, you do get your radio, it is touchscreen, you have AM, FM, audio, all that jazz, CD. You also get your climate controls up here as well, settings, you can go for that. More info such as time, temperature, all that jazz, and you can turn your screen on or off. Above me, we do have our rear view mirror, but if we shift it into reverse, we do get our nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7885, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.